this is the quick version of the beard tutorial, so let's get right into it. Minimize that, we won't be using that for a second, so we'll import this and this. Hopefully we can import those and it's all working out. Running a little bit slow. Okay, now the new layer. And we're working on that layer. So now we'll quickly clip out some sections. Oh, this is already, I can already tell, going to be more than 2 minutes, but that's fine. So like here, all of this area, we'll clip all of this out. Pull this out a little bit, and this. Push that in. A little more around the nose, but otherwise, yeah, that's good. Let's just stop, because for the most part, that's fine. We'll set this at about 50%, and then come in and just get a solid coat down. And this is the 2-minute version of a little bit longer tutorial. This beard will probably come out better than the version in that one, so if you're going to watch this, you might as well watch both. I don't know, maybe one is better than the other. Let me know in the comments. Again, also sorry for the audio. I'm just sitting in bed while I make this, and I've got like a lav mic on, but I'm also talking very quietly and trying to do this quickly. So, okay, that's about right. We'll get the erase tool and get rid of some of this that we don't need anymore around the mouth. Clean that up. Now, we'll get rid of those 2 layers. You can see what's left. Come back over here. We can fill in a few of these gaps, and then export that file to the desktop as beard.png. So now that we have that, oh, that took way longer than I thought. Alright, now we'll add a mesh in our project file, face tracker mesh, add a material layer to that mesh, and then come over here, set it to physically based, because it's a physically based beard, and then choose the file that you want, which in this case is the beard file. As you can see, completely tracks onto his face. It's not the best looking beard. If you have better Photoshop skills, you can make your own, but this is pretty much the gist. You can reduce the opacity, you can change the colour, but yeah, something to play around with, different styles, whatever it is that you fancy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, I don't know. This wasn't 2 minutes.